Welcome to ChemChris Daily Drill, where I solve one question every single day to sharpen your mind and get ready for JAMB and WAEC 2026. Now, I have this question on the board here. This is mathematics question, Indices question. I want to solve this one, then I will also drop one for you to try. Now, every single day, I try as much as possible to drop one video, either math, chemistry, or physics. Right? So let's look at this question together. So should evaluate this, and here we have the option. You need to understand the laws of indices, and there are about 7 or 8 laws of indices. If you know that you don't know the laws of indices, you don't understand the fundamentals, there's a video at the description below that will take to watch the first video on the what on the laws of indices. So if you look at this one here, if you look at, let us bring it out. Here we have 3 raised to 0 minus 1, 9 raised to minus 3, right? So we want to break this guy down. Let's break this guy down. Remember, here we have 9. 9 is also seen as 3 raised to 2, right? Because 3 times 3 is what is 9. So here, that is how it look like. So going to be 3 raised to 0 minus 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 3. Now what I just did, I just rewrite this one to be this one here. If you look at it very well, you find that these 2 will cancel out this one, right? So what will happen here? You now have 3 raised to 0 minus, you now have 3 minus 1 over 3, right? Minus 3. You see that? Okay, here we have no. So here we have 3 minus 1 minus 3. So now we can evaluate the inside. We can evaluate here. Remember, n 3 raised to 0, n3 raised to 0 is what is 1. So here we have 1, right? Minus 3 minus 1. So what are we going to do here again? Now, what we know here is that this guy, I can bring this guy here. Let me just put it here. I can bring, because here, 3 raised to minus 1 is also the same that a raised to minus 1 equals to 1 over what? A, right? So I can write this one to this, to what? 1 minus 1 over what? 3. Right? So let me evaluate this one here. So if I should evaluate 1 over 1 over 3 or 1, what will be the answer here? Fraction. Right? So going to be over what? 3, because the LCM over 3. 1 going to 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 going to 3, 1. 1 times 1 is what? Is 1. So here we have 3 minus 1 is what? Is 2 over 3. That is, yeah, everything is what? Is 2 over 3. So I'll just write it here. 2 over 3 minus 3, right? What will happen here? Remember, if I want to remove this sign here, just like this law here, this one out x. What will happen if I want to remove this minus sign? Just go so move down, right? Say I want b over a x. So for me to remove this minus here, this will go also come down. So I have something like this. I have something like this. 3 over 2 to remove the minus. This is that. So what I have left is that if I should remove the bracket, I'll have what? 3 raised to 3 or what? 2 raised to 3. When you remove the bracket, remember this bracket will affect every single thing, right? So this is what I have. 3 times 3 times 3 is what? Is 27 over 2 times 2 times 3 is what? Times 2 is what? Is 8, right? So this is not the answer. 27 over 8. So the answer is what? Is B. I want to try something for me. I want to try this. Try this for me. Drop your answer at the comment section. All these videos helpful. Now, if you are writing JAMB 2026 and you want to blast JAMB 2026, I will drop a comment. I'll drop a pinned comment at the comment section where you are going to see the price of our classes. Right? If you want to get more information, send message on my DM or WhatsApp. I'll tell you more about the class. But we have our price range: 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, weekly. It's going to be of great help to you. I want to prepare you ahead of the exam. Don't miss day 3 of this class.